Alright, let's get your iPhone and iPad synced up, fast. Whether you've just updated to iPadOS 26 or you grabbed a brand new device, I'll show you how to make both screens work like one. First, the essentials. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on both your iPhone and iPad. Just head to Settings, tap your name and double-check. Next, hit up iCloud. Still in Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and tap See All. Here's where the magic happens. Turn on Sync for photos, contacts, notes, and messages. That way, what happens on your iPhone shows up instantly on your iPad. Oh, and don't forget, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should be on for both devices. This keeps everything connected and powers all those cool continuity tricks. Now, let's get specific. Want your photos everywhere? Flip on iCloud Photos in the settings. For messages that match perfectly, head into Settings. Messages and just toggle on Messages on iCloud. Love downloading apps on your iPhone and seeing them pop up on your iPad too? In Settings App Store, turn on Automatic Downloads under App Downloads. Forgot your passwords? No worries. Turn on Passwords and Keychain in iCloud, and your logins stick to you. Here's where it gets fun. Continuity. With iPadOS 26, Handoff lets you start an email or Safari session on your iPhone and finish it on your iPad. Universal Clipboard? Copy text or a photo on one, paste it on the other. And now, thanks to the new phone app on iPad, you can make and take calls right from your tablet. For quick file swaps, just use AirDrop. Tap Share, pick your other device, and boom, your file's there. And if you're setting up a fresh iPad, use Quick Start. Just put your iPhone next to your new iPad during setup, and it'll transfer everything wirelessly. Simple, right? Sync up and let your Apple devices work smarter.